Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm doing an unboxing and a review on this Roku Select Series 43-inch TV. So let's open it up, let's see exactly how we're going to take it out. We've got the mounts, remote, everything here is on top. We're going to take the styrofoam. Take the styrofoam off. Now, I do like that there's handles on each side. All right, now we're going to take the TV. Might be best if we put it on the ground and then pull it out. It's not super heavy. Okay, what happens is the handles get caught on the styrofoam. So the handles will catch on the styrofoam right here. I can see it. Gotta push the TV back in. There. Now the styrofoam can come straight out. All right, there's our TV. There's those handles I was telling you that the styrofoam gets caught on. All right, here's what the TV looks like. Now the first thing we're gonna wanna do is mount the feet. So we're gonna flip it over and the feet go on the bottom. Take the plastic off. Now here's what the bottom of it looks like. We do have a power button, okay? You got a single button. It comes with a remote, but if you lose the remote and you need to turn it on, there is a single button there. Here are the feet that it comes with. Lots of plastic on them. We are gonna have to put some screws. Okay, so in the bag that has the remote, there are 4 Phillips head screws. That's what we're going to use for these mounts. So again, it's on its bottom. Now it looks like the mounts can go either one, can go either way. It looks like they'd be the same. So you're going to put there's Phillips head screws. Now you can mount this to a wall. All right, you don't need them super tight, but we're going to put them in. Okay, so we got the feet installed. Now we can flip it over. Okay, so the power cord is right here on the back of the TV. You can just pull this. It looks like it's permanently mounted. You're not going to plug the power cord in. It's permanently mounted. All right, so we have USB-C, a LAN, left, right, like the red, yellow, and blue audio right there. We got 4 HDMIs. We got one HDMI that's EARC. That's this one right here. This is the EARC, which is number 1. Number 2, headphone jack. We got optical. And then we've got 3 and 4. And then we have an antenna. So lots of different inputs right there. Let's turn the TV around. Again, the power cord is permanently attached. And here's just a close-up of the HDMI ports. Left to right, the TV is 38 inches. It is a 43-inch TV vertically or diagonally here. It stands off the ground right at 24 inches. The stand is going to need, so the legs need approximately 37 inches apart, and front to back the legs need about 9 1/4 inches. Again, the power plug is 5 feet long. It does come with the remote, the 2 AA batteries you're going to put here in the back. Again, we've got some quick access buttons, and we're going to simply turn it on and it gets started. So this is everything that comes in the box. This is the dimensions. It does come with a user manual, the remote, the batteries, and the stand. So it does come with a really nice manual. There is a reset button on the back. There's your HDMI ports. So if you need to reset the Roku, you're going to press that in with a paper clip right there. Press that in to reset the Roku. Okay, so I'm going to set it up now. You're going to use this purple wheel as a cursor. So we're going to do a wireless connection, set up a wireless connection. I'm pressing the OK button. It's going to look for your wireless network. All right, there's my all my wireless networks. I'm going to go down to Hickory Tree. I'm going to select it. Now I have to use the cursor and type in my Wi-Fi password. Once you type in the Wi-Fi password, it's going to check for an update. So it went through and got the check marks for the Wi-Fi. It tested it. The Wi-Fi is all good. Now it's going to check for an update. This could take anywhere from 5. Oh, it has the latest update. All right. Or no, it looks like it's going to updating the software. So this could take about 5-10 minutes. Okay, so while it's doing that, let's go over the features of, this is a really nice remote. So it does have voice search. So you can press this button, speak into the remote, and it will dictate what you need to search for. It does have a headphone jack on the left-hand side. There's the microphone, power button, volume button, mute button, instant replays like the 30-second rewind there. We have options button, personal, it has a 1 and a 2 personal shortcut. So we can put those like a shortcut for anything. Say you want YouTube or something, you can have a shortcut for those. And we got the 4 shortcuts down here that are already preset. Okay, so down here at the bottom, make sure you get the plastic right off that remote window. Okay, so you're going to have to give it an email address. You'll have to have like a tablet or your computer, your desktop computer. You'll have to go to it and finish the login process for Roku. Now you don't need to give a credit card or anything, but you will need to log in and get a code. And I did not add any more channels. It's going to install 52 channels. It asks you what other things you want to install. I said none, but it's going to install these 52 channels. So this can take about 10 minutes. Okay, so here is the Roku TV homepage. I clicked the homepage. Now you're going to scroll with the purple, using the purple thing to go across. There's the different HDMI inputs you can plug things into, but right now it's got Netflix, all these ready to go. Now let's say I want to add a channel. You're going to go down to search. Now there's popular apps, you can just go over and it may be the one you want. But if you want to search for a certain channel, say you want HBO. There it is right there. So you'll scroll over. There's the apps. Click that. Open app. Let's go back to home. It must be already on my home page. Scroll down. Yeah, there it is right there. Now, if you want to move those apps, you're going to press the options button, like that star button. So press that. You want to move app, check for updates, move to the top. Now let's say we have a channel we want to remove. Let's go down to Paramount Plus. Hit the option button. Let's go remove app. And it takes it away from that home page. Now it doesn't show up there. And I can search for this. Western movies. So you got to press that button the entire time you speak, and now it shows me the TV or the programs I want. So the remote has where you can speak into it. You got to hold that button the entire time you're speaking, and then it will do it. Turn volume up. So it will turn the volume up or down. Mute the TV. Turn the TV off. It'll even turn the TV off. So it's a pretty neat function. Okay, so I'm playing one of my videos. I've got all the lights off around. It's a very clear display. Again, I can pause. I can reverse 30 seconds. It's really, really nice. But the display is very... The TV's very, very bright.
So this air fryer is a 6-quart air fryer, and we've got a window on.
So this is just a really nice TV that has the Roku built into it. You don't have to get an external Roku player. The Roku is built into the TV software. Now I can hook other things up to it. If I've got different streaming devices, I can hook those into the different HDMI ports. But I really do like this. It's got a really nice remote, search remote, headphone jack, and this picture is very, very clear. So this is very user-friendly, very easy TV to use and set up for the very first time. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.